Okay, ladies, looking first. Ready, 1, 2, smiling.
Here po. Here po.
Compress, please.
Yan, closer. Yan. Perfect.
Kaway po for camera, please.
Kawaii.
That's 2 hours. Thank you.
Alright, thank you ladies and good luck for today.
Nurture this to the universe.
Alright, thank you ladies. And we believe that a Filipina is strong, empowered, uniquely beautiful, meek, and charismatic. And that Filipina is you ladies.
Wow.
Thank you. And that's our session for this afternoon. Thank you so much to our gorgeous delegates of Universities 2025. So we request you to please stand up for a quick walk.
Photo. Tangkad pala ni Chanel.
Oh, tangkad.